Hello, my name is Matt Janelle, and I am in Group 7. And today I'm going to be presenting my part for the All-Star brand for marketing management. The first part that I went over was Salesforce. So, our company is going to be selling to grocery stores, drugstores, and mass merchandising, but we are mostly going to be selling to grocery stores. The reason why we decided to put our main focus on grocery stores was because we agreed that a good chunk of grocery stores will already have a pharmacy in there or have a very large pharmacy section, and also that grocery stores tend to already have a large customer base that is fairly consistent. So we agreed that that would probably be our best bet to place all of our focus into. And in terms of our product strategy, we decided that diversification would be the best one to focus on. And the reason that we chose diversification was that it can allow us to have a better chance at increasing not only our sales, but profitability as well. And it can also allow us to increase our flexibility. And it's also a good way to put our foot in the door if we ever want to introduce a new product to our already existing customer base. It's just another way that we can grab a large group of people, get a bunch of different kinds of people, and it allows us to increase our customer base as well. And in terms of pricing, after discussing it with our group, we decided that $5.35 would be a suitable MSRP for our product. We decided on this price because we felt that it was not only low enough to remain competitive, but it was also still high enough to where the company would still be making a substantial amount of money. And in terms of promotional discounts, we chose 15% as our discount, and this discount is going to be going to wholesalers, retailers, and it's an encouragement for these retailers and wholesalers to purchase more of our product at once, so having them buy in bulk. And again, just a good way to get our product out there, just a good way to get people buying large amounts, and it's we felt it was a very suitable incentive for that.